Birds heading south, a fascinating journey explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not only poetic but also rich in meaning. Birds heading south. This expression is more than just about birds. It's a window into understanding migrations, changes, and the natural instincts that guide us. Whether you're learning English or simply curious about the intricacies of language, this video will unfold the layers behind this picturesque phrase. When we say, birds heading south, we're referring to the literal act of birds migrating to warmer climates during the colder months. This migration is a survival strategy that birds have developed over millennia. It's a natural phenomenon that occurs annually, signaling changes in seasons and the instinctual behavior of wildlife to seek favorable conditions for living, breeding, and feeding. Beyond its literal sense, birds heading south carries a deeper, metaphorical significance. In English, this phrase can symbolize people or things moving towards a more promising or suitable situation. It reflects a journey of transformation, seeking better opportunities, or escaping from less favorable conditions. This expression can beautifully encapsulate the essence of change, adaptability, and the pursuit of improvement in life. Understanding birds heading south also opens a door to various cultural and historical contexts where this phenomenon has been observed and celebrated. Many cultures around the world have myths, stories, and traditions inspired by bird migration. These narratives often imbue birds with symbolic meanings, such as heralds of change, carriers of messages, or omens of coming seasons. In English language and literature, birds heading south is a vivid imagery that writers and poets use to evoke a sense of change, migration, or a quest for betterment. It's a powerful metaphor that adds depth to storytelling, allowing readers to connect with the universal themes of journey, transformation, and the cyclical nature of life. We hope this exploration of birds heading south has enriched your understanding of English language and its capacity to weave natural phenomena into profound metaphors. This phrase is a reminder of the beauty in migration, change, and the innate drive towards betterment. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope you found it as enlightening as the birds find their path south. Keep exploring, learning, and growing with us.